Every woman loves and appreciates compliments, genuine, respectful compliments. But it's when it crosses the line to vulgarity and disrespect, that's when we have a problem. Hi everyone, so hope all of you are doing fine. So as you all know, I have a hint of spiritual positivity section on my YouTube channel. So do feel free to write up your suggestions and put up positivity messages on there. So it's a playlist made specifically for people who are going through a hard time in life and who is looking for some positivity in their lives. So do check that section out. So there's a whole playlist full of positivity messages. Today, however, I don't know if it comes under positivity. It does come under positivity and negativity, but it is not going to be a positivity message as such. It is just going to be talking about certain aspects of respect. So, being respectful to women. I have not prepared a speech for this particular topic. That's why I'm constantly thinking what to say, because it's not a written up speech that I've just prepared and I'm telling out. So it's going to be dragged on a bit. So do excuse that. So let's see how I go. Alright, so I've been on social media. As you all know, I'm always on social media most of the time, mostly posting up my videos. And while I do that, I also do check out other posts of different females who are doing the same thing, so that I can get inspiration, or I can also see how they're doing things, and some things that they do are interesting. So I do follow female astrologers, female cooks, females who promote products that they want to sell online, etc, etc. And every time they do a live video, there are people who are focused on what these women are doing or what they are trying to portray. For example, if you look at me, I do make a lot of cooking videos mostly, and these days I also do a little bit of positivity and positivity videos, focusing on positivity and how to combat negativity in people's lives. So there are some people who are genuine and focus on these topics that I'm trying to show out, whereas there are some people who focus on me, or the women who are trying to portray what they are doing. For example, I'll try to make it general, but as well I'll try to give examples relating to me as well, because it's a topic focusing on women, and I'm a woman who does these things and who is on social media and who interact with a lot of people out there. Now, if you go on Google and type "things are meant to be used and people are meant to be loud," but the world is at chaos at the moment because things are being loud and people are being used instead. So there is a quote on Google like that. If you search on Google, you will see. I can't think of who exactly created that quote or wrote that quote, but there's a lot of that same quote floating around if you put it on Google search. There's some men who are having substance, men with substance, who are dignified, who have a good upbringing and know how to respect people, especially females, and treat them with respect. If you want to, I'm not saying how do I say this, because it's not a scripted speech, but I'm trying to convey a topic because it is going to be affecting a lot of females who put themselves out there, who are doing what I do, the similar things. And I thought I'd need to speak about this. For example, so there's some men who respect women. Some men, actually, they don't focus on what the female is trying to do or put through her videos. They focus on the lady and they try to attack her personally. In case of me too, I've got that from a few people. I'm not saying that I have not been subjected to that. Everybody is exposed and vulnerable to it. Once you put yourself out there, you're going to be exposed to different sorts of human beings. Some are going to be positive, some are going to be negative. I'm talking about the negative human beings who actually vulgarly disrespect females by focusing on their personal body parts, and that is not right, y'all. We females, we have to exude our femininity as well. We can't all wear burqa and cover our whole body head to toe and just walk around like zombies. some cultures and some religions have that as their religious practice that is put over there, maybe for the protection of women to a certain extent, so that they don't fall prey for, you know, men giving them unwanted attention. And that's fine, you know, that has to be respected. But then there are other people, not everybody are born into a Muslim upbringing or something where they have to wear a full covered burqa. There are some people who are born in free Western societies, and over there, you know, in some countries they even have nude beaches where you don't even need to wear clothes to walk about there. And also in countries like Australia, you wear a bikini to the beach, you only have two piece, you know. So there are people who are in industries like porn industries and things like that, where they actually publicize their body parts, and that is fine for you to comment on their body parts. But there are people who are decent and who are not, you know, exposing or trying to sell their body, but they are trying to present themselves outward by doing certain other things. For example, if it's in my case, I'm just focusing on putting out my cooking videos and also positivity messages. That does not give any human being the right to come and personally think, oh my god, she's so hot, she's so beautiful. That's fine, you can think it, that's a natural human thing, but you don't approach someone and disrespect them. There's a fine line that you need to know that you should not cross, isn't it? And gentlemen and decent men know how to do that, but there are some desperate, seedy, sick in the head people who does not know that, and that is what I'm trying to talk about today. It's a shame when a woman is trying to bring out her talents, bring out her femininity, bring out decency in society, and there are some men who are such low class type of characterless people. They go on about, oh, I like your boobs, oh, I like you are so sexy. You know, it is an utter disrespect. And you need to understand that if you insult and disrespect someone, it is not right. You insulting someone is not right, because you are trying to bring down a human being, and you are showing that, you know, you have no morals and values within yourself. You don't know the appropriate time and appropriate situations and how to behave appropriately. And it is not right. You put your negative energy on someone. Like I said, you know, if a woman is doing some porn videos or something like that, that's fine, because they're looking for that sort of attention. But not all women are. There are women who genuinely deserves and demands respect, especially from the male species. And you got to understand that, y'all. You can't just go and, you know, use, like, you know, think women are some object that you can use, you can disrespect, you can, you know, say vulgar things, you can sexualize. It's not right, because not all women are looking for such attention. So you got to get that. And if somebody is going to insult me, for example, I'm a person with a lot of self-respect and dignity. I am an Indian, but I am in a Western country. So I have a blend of both. I'm traditional and I'm modern, and most of my dressing is modern. But that does not mean I'm dressing to get your vulgar attention. That is not the reason why I'm doing it for my femininity, you know, for myself. I'm not doing it to attract some vulgarity. And if I do, and that's fine, because there are people who are going to be there who's going to give that negative energy. If you're going to insult me, for example, I'm going to insult you back, because I'm not an insecure person. And if you come and tell me, for example, that, oh, you know, the good boobs and blah blah blah, I'm going to take that as a disrespect. Unless you are my partner, or I'm in a romantic relationship with you, or I'm married to you, I'm going to definitely take that as a disrespect. And I'm going to ask you, is your upbringing so bad? Is your mother a prostitute that she showed you this is how you treat women? And what happens there? You know, the time I give that person back a dose of that person's medicine by insulting his mother, disrespecting his mother, who is a female figure who everybody respects their moms, right? Nobody likes you disrespecting them, but you need to understand, like your mother, others are also females, they are also mothers, sisters, wives of somebody else, so it does not give you the right to disrespect them. The same way, if you come and disrespect me, that's what I'm going to say. Is that your upbringing? Is your mother a prostitute, that this is how she's taught you how to treat women? Of course the person is going to get disrespected themselves. So don't insult others to get insulted yourself, because people with respect is not going to take that lightly. They are going to retaliate, and they are going to say something that's going to hurt your ego in turn, so you're not gaining anything from it. So all I'm saying is, if those vibes are welcome, there are some women who wants that sort of attention, then it's fine, you give it, but don't try to give it towards people who genuinely are looking to be respected by others, treated with respect by others, have dignity and have self-respect themselves. So don't come to me or any female with self-respect and try to insult them and feel that you're going to get free with it. You're going to get some good insults coming your way, which is going to hurt your ego as well, and you're not going to like it. And yeah, so what's the need for that? So respect people for what they are doing, appreciate them. You don't use every woman you come across. Don't be a womanizer. Don't be so vulgar that you can't control yourself and you go publicly and start insulting people indecently. Have some value and dignity yourself. Don't show that you have such a bad upbringing. Give pride to your family. Let your parents be proud that they gave birth to you, and not put yourself in some shameful situations that you have created to show that you have such a bad upbringing, where you go about disrespecting people. You're so desperate, you can only sexualize human beings. You are so shallow that you can't see beyond outward appearances. You cannot appreciate a human being beyond their outward appearances. You cannot see that they are an individual. What are they all about? Because we human beings are not just about the way we look. These things change. Even tomorrow I can go and get a Brazilian butt lift and I can come with a big butt. Or things change. Tomorrow I might put on a little bit more weight, or I might go to the gym and get a six-pack and become thinner. But those don't change what I'm inside as a human being is also evolving, y'all. So don't just judge someone because of the way they look. God must have blessed someone with beauty and brains and wisdom. So try to appreciate everything in a respectful way. Do not cross that line, men, especially when it comes to women. All right, we have to be, there's a saying, be gentlemen. Men have certain responsibilities towards women. Don't go making women's life hard, especially these days. The amount of divorces that happen, men are not the ones taking responsibility. Like normally they just pay child support. If a relationship breaks, they are the ones who are the first ones to leave the woman. Women are stuck with kids, looking after kids, taking the responsibilities. There might be some situations where there are shared parenting and things, but normally the kids are normally in the women's care, especially when there are divorces in relationships. The men are just free to go. So we women have over the years taken a lot of responsibility, whereas men are just doing these things. Try to be an asset in a woman's life, not a burden. That's all I have to say. And we women are already facing a lot emotionally in our lives, so do not add to the misery. If you can make the lives of women a bit better, try to do that and be a proper gentleman, showing you have good upbringing, than portraying you're so low and making people's lives more difficult. So please do respect women, especially men, because we are not all objects There are some women like that who entertain that. You can treat those women like that because they are wanting it and asking for it. Does not mean everyone is like that. And when we are not like that, you have no right to treat women who are not like that with low dignity and disrespect. All right, so that is my message for today. I don't know, this might raise a lot of controversy. It is just not one of my positivity messages, but it's just me standing up for women who are like me, who are trying to, who are feminine, but we don't want to shut ourselves down just because men keep disrespecting us and ill-treating us. Some men, not all, and trying to make things difficult for us, because we also need to live in this world. We are sharing the same planet and we have the same rights to live with dignity and respect without that getting tarnished and humiliated and disrespected, especially in public. No woman deserves that, y'all. So I'm standing up for those women who are just like me, who are not just beautiful on the outside but also on the inside, who's got talents, who are trying to put them out. So try to appreciate that, all right, because it's in midst of our busy schedules. We are keeping time for our talents and hobbies and career, and we don't want those things to get tarnished by disrespectful men who does not value a woman or respect a woman. All right, so take care, everyone. This is just a short message. If any of you have things to add to it, feel free to do so, but keep in mind to be respectful. It's not just about men or women, just as a basic human being, we all have to be respectful to each other. So keep that in mind and just spreading the love, spreading the positive vibe. I thought I need to stand up for women, who are talented, who are beautiful, because they don't deserve to get vulgar rubbish from other idiots. All right, so take care, enjoy, have a good day. Bye.